Freedom 251. Is it a scam? Let's find out in this video. The Noida-based company Ringing Bells has launched the world's cheapest smartphone, Freedom 251, priced at Rs 251. The company announced that the customers can purchase the device from its website freedom251.com starting at 6 am on February 18. Just 5 minutes before the sale, the site went down. The servers were overloaded. At 8 am, the site was again working, but there came another issue. After entering the address, when we hit buy now, it's getting refreshed but not redirecting to the payment page. Looks like the site might have been designed by a 10-year-old kid. Just kidding, but this is something ridiculous. Now, if you notice in the images of the Freedom 251, the word AdCom is written on the front. In some images, this word is covered with a white paint. AdCom has launched Icon 4, which is available on Flipkart for Rs 4000. The Freedom 251 is very similar to the AdCom Icon 4. In fact, everything is just the same. Moreover, the after-sale service that company has mentioned is of AdCom. So this could be the possibility that Ringing Bells might have partnered up with AdCom. Then, how is this a Make in India product if the phone is a Chinese brand being brought into India? While going through a few websites that I had mentioned about the Ringing Bell Smart 101, I found that there are hundreds of consumers who have ordered the phones while none of them have actually received the devices. Forget the devices, even no one have received an order confirmation, which is really confusing. Now coming to the actual topic, whether it's a scam or not, there are two possibilities. First one is that it's a huge marketing scam. Do you think a company who is launched few months back will give a smartphone whose cost is Rs 2000 to 3000 for just Rs 251? And they would make you wait for 4 to 6 months and taking money upfront? Why not COD? Think about it. 251 is not a big deal for you, but if a crore people order it, it will be for them, and who knows what happens after 4 months. Second thing is to get traffic to the site. The company has said that they are getting 6 lakh hits per second, which is really huge. But we can't completely say that they are scammers. Some ministers were there at the launch of the device. The smartphone was launched by Defense Minister Manohar Parrikar at Nehru Park in Delhi. The company has just posted saying that, "Dear friends, we are very grateful for your enormous response and your kind patronage and would submit that as of now we receive approximately 6 lakh hits per second, as a result of which due to your kind overwhelming response, servers are overloaded. We humbly submit that we are therefore taking a pause and upgrading the service and will revert within or before 24 hours. Once again, our respectful thanks and gratitude for your support and patience. We look forward to your return as soon as we are back online well within 24 hours." So this is what they have posted. You can just try ordering one when the site works well. Don't try to order too many. If they aren't delivered, you'll be the loser. So let's see what happens. Subscribe to my channel for more updates. This is Jadagi signing off. Bye bye. You guys have a great day.